Papasa Diyos na lang natin. Halel! So, itutuloy na namin yung pagpunta namin sa aquarium, guys. Kasi nga, pero by the way, late na naman kami. Hindi ko na alam kung papapasukin pa kami. But we're trying our best na baka kahit ilang minuto lang na nasa loob kami, payagan kami. Tignan nyo yung mga halaman dito. Ang ganda-ganda, guys. So, hinahabol natin yung aquarium. And sana papasukin pa kami. Like as in, really? Naubos na namin. Hindi kami nakapunta, late kami guys. Kaya ayan, kumain na lang kami dito sa parang maliit na shop na to. Napaka-cute. Tapat niya yung park. Tapos ito dapat yung pupuntahan namin, yung kabilang building na yan. So, ayun na lang. Filipino food pala to guys. Pero may ari ibang lahi ay. Ayan guys, meron pa palang mga shops dito sa loob ng park. Grabe, nakaka-amaze. Mas maganda pa palang napuntahan namin. Napuntahan namin and for free. Tignan mo yung gawa niya guys.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, but again, away feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break.
Guys, meron mga nagsasayaw dito sa loob ng park. As in, para siyang hidden farm talaga. Complete na complete pagkain, mga sasakyan, ng mga tricycle na maliliit. Parang hindi mo na maintindihan eh, no? Animals guys. Hindi nga kami nakapunta sa aquarium. Ang dami naman namin nakita mga turtle. Meron pala dito sa park na to. Where's the turtle then? Oh no, no more turtle. Oh no, find the turtle. What? So many? How many? Count it. Count.
Uno,
two, water today.
sí.
Huh?
Huh? It's a crocodile? There's the crocodile. The eyes of the crocodile is there. It's not moving. It's sleeping. Did you saw that crocodile? Hindi siya maka-convince kasi di pa niya nakita. Ayan, may na-discover na naman kami. Inside pa nitong hidden farm na to. Ang dami pa palang ganito, tapos may kainan pa sa loob, as in, super, hindi siya nakakapuring puntahan, parang, it's free guys, yun lang, kapag bumili ka, syempre, bibili ka, mag-consume ka, magbayad ka, but the park itself, it's not, and you don't need to, magbayad, do you understand, yan, ay, ganda, yan si Kalel, lalaro siya dito guys. Pupuntahan siya. Babsi, bawal dyan. Makamuha lang kayo, Babs. Hey, what did you do? Mixy. Wow, it's like a museum, guys. Collection. Okay, we're going up guys. Wow, it's amazing here. Wow. What? grabe. Ay, grabe talaga. Kaganda nitong lugar. We're going up. Wow, this place. Guys, nakalibre kami dito. Dapat may pass to guys, but we didn't even pay. Ang daming pasok, guys. Wow. Amazing place. Eastern people have always been engaged in giving magic tensions. Now we know almost nothing of the colossal capital of invention, which has been made in ancient times, loading poor, fragile temporary materials with religious or magic functions. Material with no weight, no value, no destiny but to disappear. Small bamboo strips, tin palm leaves, sticks, shell, flower fabrics, embroideries, papers, birds' feathers. Wow. Tapos guys, meron pang ganito sa loob. Ano natin? Wow. It's amazing here, guys. Could we really go inside? Grabe, nakakatakot naman dito. Wow. It deserves to be recognized. This place is amazing. It's close. Grabe, para talaga siyang bahay na ginawa sa loob ng museum. Kalel is sitting here. I hope Kalel can learn how to play very well, brilliantly, clearly piano. Very good. Nakapasok kami dito guys ng libre. Oh, there's airplane. Okay. It's helicopter. 1, 2, 3, go. Hold carefully. Iwan mo siya, Dada. Huwag mo siya. Ah! Nice. Hey, what did you do?
Oh, dito ka lang. May burak dyan.
May burak dyan. Siguro, please be more presentable. Okay, 3 ice cream. Okay, what flavor you wanna eat?
Chocolate?
Strawberry? With a cup? With a spoon?
Ah, dump truck.
What's that? A shake? Strawberry shake? Me, I want strawberry ice cream and chocolate ice cream.
Let's go.
Do you have money? Where's your money?
Money.
Where? Money is in the bag. You silly boy. Hey! Another one. Show mo, Babs.
I want ice cream.
Ice cream? What do you want?